is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can activate two-way verification system to your Microsoft account. That could be Live, Outlook, whatever you call it. Go to Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge or Firefox, whatever browser you like. Then go to your accounts, Hotmail, obviously, Outlook, whatever. And here at the corner you see when you're at the page, this where is the name or photo appear. Hit that button. Go to the option here is a my profile, the second option. Go inside my profile, hit sign in if they ask you. Here you'll come to this page. So here you have many options. At the top is a Microsoft account, your information, privacy, security. Hit this option, security, the fourth one. Here you see the first option, sign in activity, not this one. You see here the third option, advanced security option. Hit this one. In advanced security option you see here password account turn on, passwordless account turn off, turn on. I don't want this. I want two-step verification. You see you have to turn it on. If it's turn off, hit turn on. Then put which way you want to verify your account, by your phone number, by email address, whatever you want. So they will send a code to your phone number or another email account or any other manner could possible as well. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.